You should get a pet. It would help you learn to love animals. Don't you think, Sonic?
Yes, absolutely.
Then you can take Sticks pet shopping right now.
No, absolutely not.
I ain't cute, fuzzy, and adorable. See? Too cute. Too fuzzy. So adorable. It's
Disgusting.
the least objectionable option. Oh, who's a little cluster-wuster? I'm gonna name him Buster.
Buster the Cluster? Sticks, are you sure you want to keep this cluster?
It's Buster.
Quick, Sticks, run around back and head him off.
I don't want to put Buster in danger. Besides, it's his walk time. Oh, no.
I'm afraid so, Sticks.
Well, if Buster goes, I go. And I'm not going.
Oh, I guess that means we go. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna need a little help with the cluster here.
No, don't make me hurt my beloved Buster.
Sticks, Buster won't attack you.
Aw, that's sweet.
No, I mean if there's any way you can stop him, now's the time. No! What's going on?
Amy took down the surfboard, which was the only thing protecting us from the hordes of troglodytes invading from the very bowels of the world. My bad.
Now you're talking. Sticks!
Hey, I know that coconut.
Give us back our friend. Sticks, need this?
Hey, thanks.
No.
Please, I don't want to embarrass myself in front of fancy folk.
Fine. But I'm not wearing pants.
Thank you. Thank you. If you want to be a lady, you'll have to train hard. You up for it? Yes. I only have one question. Can I take this snail with me? And go. This is my male consort. And if you don't like him, I'll knock you out. 1, 2, step. 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, step. 1, 2, dip. Why is the music controlling us? I'm not your puppet, music master. I'm not your puppet!
Yeah, I think she's ready.
It's my pleasure to introduce the Lady Sticks and her escort, Sir Sonic of Hedgehog.
Uh-oh, gotta go.
That's one healthy layer of blubber.
Well, I never.
Sticks?
What? It was a compliment. It's not like I said she wasn't prepared for winter. Hear ye, hear ye. Beware, good townsfolk. Our water supply diminishes as I speak.
Becoming a town crier isn't the best way to fight the mainstream media. You should try something a little more high-tech.
Technology is the enemy! But maybe the enemy of my enemy is my friend. Or is the enemy of my enemy my double enemy? Either way, time to fight fire with fire! Or double fire.
Sorry, Eggy, we're gonna stop you.
No! We are! Get him!
An empty stool sits under a spotlight as the lovely, charismatic, and super popular Annie Rose appears through the curtain and pours herself a glass of lemonade.
Yuck. 'Twas years since I first met that mysterious stranger. The one with fur, the color of the ocean. Who do we know with ocean-colored fur?
Well, it can't be me. While I am mysterious, I'm more of a royal blue. Sonar enters, pitter-pattering across the stage in his scarlet loafers. Sonar, hey, Annie, I'm gonna play volleyball. I only play against myself because nobody else can keep up. See? That doesn't sound anything like me. He's an egomaniac, but without the incredible awesomeness to back it up.
Thump, thump, thump.
Regulator!
Take that!
Hey, watch it! Ow! Wait!
This is gonna be sweet.
guys are so immature. You'll never make it through Pleasant Gardens. I gotta teach you some survival skills first. What are we laughing at?
If anyone should teach Amy survival skills, it's me. I can teach anyone.
How about Knuckles? I bet that I can teach Amy survival skills better than you can teach Knuckles.
I'll do it just to teach you a lesson.
So, we'll race to Hidden Meadows. That'll take a good 4 days and some serious survival skills. Ah! No, a mauve-colored seven-legged spider!
Ah, crud.
It's 11 years bad luck!
Sticks, your best move here is a spin attack.
That's your move, not mine. Uh-oh.
Hey, he isn't rampaging. You know what he's doing?
Ravaging, devastating, marauding, obliterating, flinging or scattering to the winds. Found a thesaurus in a cranberry bog.
He's trying to get comfortable. He can't sleep.
Slumber, repose, 40 winks. Ooh, a cranberry.
We gotta help him get back to sleep. Sticks, keep singing, or whatever it is you're doing. It's working! Sleep, my large, rocky friend. Okay, Eggman's gone. Sticks, you can start singing again.
The monster took Sticks.
Then let's go get her. I searched all the mountains and canyons, no trace of Sticks. That's horrible. What could be causing it?
I can't sing forever. I'll ruin my voice. Hey, that's Sticks.
The rock monster still has her. Can that tell us where she is?
Now tell them to get in here! This is nuts.
Let's have lunch at Chez Amy.
We'll never get past the moat.
Going fishing?
For aliens. I dreamt about badminton and teacups last night, and you know what that means?
Let's pretend for a second that I don't.
It means aliens are coming! Or I'm going to a badminton tea party, but I'm not taking any chances.
Well, good luck with that. Hey, Sticks, we still on for rock climbing tomorrow?
Sure, whatever.
Hello, Sticks? You ready to go?
What happened in here?
I turned my burrow into a Totes Adorbs tribute to Justin.
Oh, is that what's going on here?
He'll be performing a concert at Village Center this weekend.
You really need to stop doing that.
What should we wear? I was thinking about wearing the one outfit that I own. Me too.
I can understand Amy fangirling out, but Sticks? There's something fishy about this beaver fever. We need to investigate.